Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach. Today we are doing a vlog. As you can see, the RX-7 is in the garage. So we're headed over to my buddy's garage, Kyle. We're gonna put coilovers on his 370z, I believe. I actually reviewed this 370z a while back when it was a lot warmer. Kind of salty that it's 38 degrees right now, but that's Chicago. So, yeah, let's head over to the garage.
Strange brew is what we're used to.
We can play some non-copyright.
Yeah? Kyle, what are you doing? You're making a dumb decision, is what I see.
You know it. Just wait. We'll be slammed.
I want to see you smack your face again.
Again?
Again. That's what I want to see.
Push down on this.
Well, that's a way to do it.
More? I don't got more. More.
Maybe I got more.
You do, but...
I was born with more.
Nope.
Alright, let me try.
Take a look at that.
Oh, they do say fair lady on them. You can't see that on the camera, but it's there. Alright, oh, there it is. Ugh. It's not a fair lady, though. Don't count.
Real fair lady.
Yeah, is it? Got some GM junk here. How's it make you feel?
Fantastic. Makes me feel great.
Give her a send.
You ready?
Don't rev it though. I want to hear my children speak. Your little cracks are adorable.
You know, right?
Your little crackles.
Like a pop.
Strange brew, I can't believe it's true. Before you, my life was gray and blue. Run away to the sunset. Run away with the sky left far behind. Strange brew has changed both me and you.
It's low.
That's low as shit.
It's lower.
And it's not even settled.
You're almost dragging your front like, I don't know, plastic clip it's like almost there.
It's definitely lower.
That is almost on the ground.
How do you feel?
I don't know how.
25 sitting on 25 mil?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
And that's not even maxed out.
That's not max?
And these aren't the extreme lows either.
That's scary.
That's...
Just about as old as my car, not extreme lows. Maxed out. Well, the rears are maxed out. No, they're not. The fucking rebounded, or the, oh, well, the preload.
probably help if you have the key.
Oh, yeah.
Nice me, boy.
Oh. Do it. We're good.
That's insane.
Oof. Wow, you parked in the least convenient spot I think you could have physically parked.
Ammar, all my wiring gone.
Like actually tucked in there?
Actually tucked.
Damn.
Why would you do that?
See, I thought it was dry.
No,
Apparently it's
obviously I could see it.
Yeah. How was it?
The only thing that rubber is the only thing that.
Yeah, you dragged a leaf in.
That's it?
There was a bolt on the ground too. I don't know what that was from.
Yeah, it's definitely lower because that thing is touching the ground now.
Is it?
Yeah. Like it's on the ground.
Yeah.
It'll shave itself down.
No, that's when we were driving, that's the only thing you could hear rubbing. At full lock, he wouldn't rub.
You wouldn't rub it full. Okay.
At full lock.
So then you're fine. Just take it off.
I love it full lock.
Yeah, me too.
What's that?
It is rubbing?
Where? You smell it. Or it's just that plastic. Because you can see it's already shaving down. Don't put anything on the tires.